Hey guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our new Healflux V4 device. When you first open up your package, you will find the following items. Firstly, every device comes with a protective hard case. The Frequency Device V4, a cleaning cloth, a USB-C power cable, a frequency merger cable, and an instruction booklet. To power the device, you need to connect it to a power source like your phone. If you prefer this method, make sure your phone has a USB-C port. Most phones have this, but only iPhone 16 and onwards will have this type of port. If your phone doesn't have this type of port, you can also use a laptop to power your device. Or a power outlet using a plug adapter will also work. You can also use a power bank, but make sure it can directly power other devices. Not all of them do. Most high-quality power banks will have a button you need to press for a few seconds to switch to this mode. When you power on the device, the default frequencies are set to 7.83 Hz. To change the first frequency, push the left dial down once. Then push the left dial down again to confirm each digit. Turn the left dial to change each digit. In this example, we are setting the first frequency to 417 Hz. Once you have confirmed the first frequency, it will automatically get you to select the second frequency. For the second frequency, we'll set it to 741 Hz. To change the volume, push the right dial down once. Volume 1 is for the first frequency. Turn the left dial to adjust the volume level. The maximum volume is 150. Push the left dial down to confirm the volume. This will automatically take you to adjust volume 2, which is for the second frequency. Remember to push the left dial down again to confirm the volume you've selected. If you only want to generate one frequency, set the second frequency to 0.01 Hz. This frequency is almost zero, so it won't have much of an effect. If listening to only one frequency, you only have to connect your earphones or headphones to the left port. With this setup, you will hear only one frequency in both ears. Please remember that the human ear cannot hear many frequencies below 30 Hz or above 15,000 Hz, so if you try to play frequencies outside of this range, you may hear static. But you can still generate these as scalar waves, which does not use sound. To listen to two frequencies at the same time, you'll need the frequency merger cable. Connect both ends to your device and make sure they are fully inserted. Then connect your earphones or headphones to the merger cable. Again, you want to make sure it's fully inserted. In this example, 417 Hz plays in the left ear and 741 Hz plays in the right ear. With this setup, you can also generate binaural beats. This is a powerful phenomenon where your brain perceives the difference in two frequencies as a third pulsing tone. But there are special conditions to generate binaural beats, so please refer to your ebook to learn more. In this example, 200 Hz plays in the left ear and 210 Hz plays in the right ear. Your brain will hear both frequencies, but will also perceive 10 Hz too. If you prefer to use a speaker, we sell a special vibration one that's made for frequencies. Or you can use your own, that's fine too. Just make sure it has an auxiliary port, because our frequency device does not use Bluetooth. Inside the box, you will find the speaker, an auxiliary cable, a charging cable, and a manual. To turn the speaker on, hold the power button until you hear the tone. To connect the speaker to the frequency device, lift the hidden rubber flap. Plug in the auxiliary cable into the speaker and connect it to the device. You can also generate 2 frequencies at the same time with 2 separate speakers. This setup means you can also generate binaural beats with speakers. The left speaker is playing 200 Hz and the right speaker is playing 210 Hz. You can hear the 2 frequencies are creating a third pulsing tone. You can also generate your frequencies as scalar waves, which doesn't require sound. The green LEDs show that the scalar waves are being emitted. The higher the frequency, the more the LED flashes. In this example, 417 Hz is much higher than 7.83 Hz, so the left LED is flashing so rapidly, it appears as though it's not flashing at all. We also sell scalar booster antennas to boost the range of the scalar field. Simply connect the antennas to the auxiliary ports, but be careful when plugging these in, they can be fragile if not handled correctly. Also, you must be extra careful when folding and extending the antennas. Always hold the antennas here when folding them. Do not fold the antennas holding the device like this. And do not fold the antennas holding this part either. Also use the same technique when extending them too. There are many different ways you can generate your frequencies. In this example, 258 Hz is being generated as sound waves through the speaker, and 417 Hz is being generated as scalar waves through the antenna. Now I will show you how to turn on night mode. This is essentially turning off all the lights on your device to use it at night. To turn off the backlight, press this button once. To turn the green LEDs off, hold the same button for 3 seconds. And hold it again to turn them back on. To save your frequencies, hold the right dial down until Data Save On appears. Your frequency settings will be saved and will load up every time you turn the device on. If you still would like more info, please refer to the setup guide, the free ebook, or our website. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please email us and we'd be happy to help. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like. Thanks for watching!